Okay, many of you all might have experienced this problem while trying to fill your gas on your Miata. You'll just start filling it up and click, 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 it keeps shutting off, like as if the hose is kinked or something. Well, that's not actually the case. The case is there is a flapper valve where the hose goes to the tank. It's pretty easy to get to. All you're going to need is a 10mm wrench or ratchet, some flathead screwdrivers, and you'll take this inner lining out. You'll take a panel out, there's a few 10mm, and then you'll remove this hose. The hose is held on with a 10mm hose clamp. What you're going to want to do is take this out, and you'll have to use flathead screwdrivers and pry around the edges. There's little bitty detents up here in 3 places that hold it in to this beveled tube, and it's kind of a little bit of a fishy thing, but what happens is this hose clamp ends up kind of ovaling this valve, and it causes the gas filler, when you're filling up with gas, to click off. So what happens here, I don't know if you can hear it real well, but this is supposed to just be free, and it's supposed to just let gas in and close, so if you rolled over it would keep gas from pouring out of the car. Well, what happens is the hose clamp pinches on it, and I'm going to oval this like so, and you see how that now it doesn't open all the way. So when you try and fill up with gas and gas is flowing through here, it's shut closed and it's not allowing it to flow through all the way. So what you need to do is take this and file around the edge of this a little bit, and then when you put the hose clamp back on, after you've inserted this back into the filler neck, you'll take your hose clamp and you'll move it like 90 degrees from where it's at, so that the ovaling isn't side to side anymore. It'll be top to bottom a little bit, allowing that flapper valve to flow freely in and out. When you're finished, it should look like so. You want the clamping force to be top to bottom, not left to right. And then when you put this bracket back, it's going to end up hitting on that clamp a little bit. So you'll kind of have to bow the bracket so that you can get your bolts back in here and back in there. And that's how you fix this on a Mazda Miata.